Today, we're making one of the easiest veggie yakisoba recipes. This 5-minute recipe is straightforward and uses a homemade sauce. Feel free to add more veggies that you like. This is a great opportunity to clear out your fridge or leftover vegetables. You can also use some dried veggies as well that you haven't had a chance to use up. Meal prep is a great way to save time and money, and this is one of those recipes. So, let's get cooking. For the sauce, measure out 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a quarter teaspoon of garlic salt, and mix. Be sure to double this sauce if you like it a little bit more saucy. On a wok set to high heat, we'll add some oil, then a mix of carrots, cabbage, and broccoli. Add about 3 tablespoons of water. Feel free to also add other veggies that you have in the fridge, like bell peppers, onions, and so forth. We'll also add some water chestnuts to give the dish some crunch. Cook for about 2 minutes. Then add 18 ounces of yakisoba noodles. Break these up and add a 1/3 cup of water. Toss it all together. Then mix and add our sauce. Mix this all together to allow the noodles to soak up the sauce. And boom! You have a super easy and delicious veggie yakisoba. This is a great meal prep option for busy weeks, and it makes about 6 servings. There's lots of other flavors that work with this dish, so be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.